Hi guys, I hope you're done with your morning routine. Breakfast, check. Getting ready for work, check. Gym, check. But did you feel something different today? Are you having problems in breathing today? Yes, you heard me right. Breathing. And I say this because 20% of our planet's oxygen is depleting. I'm talking about the forest fire in the Amazon rainforest. Since 15th August 2019, more than 9,500 forest fires have started in Brazil, primarily in the Amazon area. Now let me give you some statistics here. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest rainforest, which covers approximately 2.1 million square miles. It accounts for 20% of the world's oxygen. Now if you had breathing problems today, it's because 20% of the world's oxygen is depleting. And we are doing nothing, absolutely nothing about it. After the fire broke out, the Amazon rainforest has shrunk by 1,345 square kilometers, which is 6 times the area of Calcutta and twice the area of Bombay. I came to know of this information from a social media post when I was scrolling through my Instagram feed, because there is no coverage of this topic in news channels or in any other forms of media. This is a matter of life and death. 20% of oxygen is being depleted and people are not talking about it. I think it's time to wake up, open our eyes and start talking about important issues. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest rainforest and it accounts for more than 20% of the world's oxygen. If now we don't start talking about this, I don't know when we'll be. And as citizens of any country rather, or as part of a human race, it's important to save this. I think individuals can't take steps and stop this, but I think the governments of every country should come together in unison and take steps to stop this rainforest fire, this forest fire, because this is a very important, pressing issue that's happening and that this needs to stop. I hope people will understand the importance of this topic.